Yo, what up, everybody? Casca King here with another video, and Jesus Christ, it is fucking hot. Oh, God. So, I got a lot of bad news today, so I thought I'd share it. Uh, let's start with my doctor's visit. Let me just take my glasses off. Oh, my God. It is like 86 right now, with like 80-something% humidity. Oh, my God, it is fucking horrible. It is fucking horrible. So the doctor says I have scoliosis. Whoopee. They wouldn't even give me anything for my back, so fuck me, I guess. And, I wasn't going to say anything, but my AC unit fucking died yesterday, or the day before, I can't fucking remember. It is so fucking hot that I can't even think straight. Jesus fucking Christ. So yeah, I got a giant fan on me, and the only thing it's doing is blowing hot. It's so fucking hot I can't think straight. Oh my god, it's fucking horrible. And all I've got is a giant fucking fan. AC and it's fucking dead. And I'm not gonna be able to afford one for like a fucking month. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, if you want to help me out and help me get a new AC unit, feel free to donate to my website, which is linked down below. There's a button that says donate. You don't have to, and I'll understand if you don't want to. That's fine with me. Fucking hell, it is hot. I don't know what to do. I can't afford an AC unit, and I can't live in this heat. How the fuck do people live in this heat for ACs? Oh my god. If I lived back then, I just fucking kill myself. Hell, I'm about ready to kill myself right now. This fucking heat is so fucking horrible. I hate it. I fucking hate the heat so fucking much. I hate living in this state. Oh, I'd rather live somewhere up north. Somewhere nice and cold and really cloudy and rainy. Maybe Washington. That seems like a nice place. Or at least I think it is. It's the one with all the forests and rain, I think. I don't know. So yeah, I'm hot and I have scoliosis. Oh boy. That's pretty much been my day. Well, my 2 or 3 days. It's so hot, all the days just fucking run all together, and it's fucking horrible. If you live in Florida, you know what I'm talking about. Like, I've sweated so much, I don't think I can sweat anymore. I'm like dry. Like, I don't. All my sweat is just gone. And the heat is one thing. The humidity just makes it so much worse. I hate the state so much. The heat and the crazy people, and the heat just makes people crazier. Oh, it's fucking horrible. Oh, I am gonna. I never take air conditioning for granted, people. It's like working bathrooms. You don't know what you have until it's gone. And that's two things you should not take for granted: air conditioning and working bathrooms. Because once you don't have either of those things, then you're really fucked. So yeah, if you want to help me get a new AC unit, good on you. You'll get a shout out on my channel. And if someone donates big enough, I don't know, maybe I'll call you on Skype. I don't fucking know. I'll think of something. Maybe I'll send an autograph if they want it. Uh, so until I get a new AC unit, I'm probably not going to make a lot of videos. Unless I'm bitching about the heat, in which I'll probably make a few. But until then, I'll see you guys next video. Also, check out my website down below, which has my Steam, my YouTube, all my shit, my Facebook. And I'll see you guys next video. Stay fucking awesome, and stay fucking cool. I fucking hate the summer. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.